And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be filming a tutorial on how to create really aesthetically pleasing spice jars. So I got mine off eBay. I got 12 for about £11.49, something like that. They're glass jars, they come with silver lids. I'll just take one out so you can have a look. Everyone always gets them from Amazon, but I'm a big eBay fan, so that's where I got mine from. So they come with the little dispenser as well, so you can clip it open on this side and get more out, and then like a sprinkler on the other side. So they are cute just on their own already, like that. I guess that would look really nice and cohesive in your cupboard. And then I also got this Dymo Label maker from B&M. I've just opened it because I bought it from the shop and I was so worried that the labels weren't already in there, but luckily they are in there, and they are black labels, which is exactly what I was after. Yeah, so got one of those. And then I also got some multi-purpose spray paint in matte black, and that was also from B&M. That was £2.99, so I hope it comes out good. It might not be the best, but it does say that it's for like metals, woods and all different kind of surfaces, so I'm hoping that it will go alright. So I'm just going to get straight into this tutorial. I'm going to film everything, all of the steps. I might even put the steps below in the description box as well. I'll link everything that I brought. I know obviously you can't buy online at B&M, but if you are in your local store and you come across them, I'll just put the actual one. You might actually be able to buy online, I don't even know, I've never even tried. But I know like with Aldi, Lidl, I don't know actually, maybe you can now, I'm not too sure, but yeah, I'll put them all in the description box, and yeah, hope you like the video. Okay, so while the lids are drying, I'd recommend doing the labels for the jars while they dry. It says on the spray paint to leave it for 24 hours, but I'm so impatient and I just want to get the lids on there that I will probably leave it about an hour, 2 hours. I'm sure they'll be dry by then. So yeah, I've got my Dymo Label maker, and I've already done one already just so I could try it out, and it's really easy. It's a little bit time consuming, but if you want it to look aesthetically pleasing like I do, then you will be patient. So I'm going to do one with you now. So you basically find the letter, so it looks like this. That. So then the letter's in this middle section here. I'm going to go with garlic. See, and then there's a little scissor section as well, so then you click that and that cuts it off. If it doesn't do it, then you just do it again. Oh my god, it's so cute. So yeah, it says garlic on it. I think you'll probably see it better when it's on the jar, so I'm going to do that now. And also just have a think of like where you want to put your label, because you can put it obviously in the middle of the jar, bottom. I think I'm going to do mine at the bottom they've got the sticker on the back, and that's what it looks like. But it's pretty cute. I've got a tray down here, so I'm just going to fill it up so that we have the ugly version. No, they're not ugly, but just, you know, it's just going to look so much better. I don't even need to use the tray because it's very garlicky. And then they just are going to wait for the lids. I love them, so cute. And I also did this rice one as well. I didn't want that bit showing, so I was going to do this way. So I've already labelled rice at the bottom here. I'll just fill it so that you can see that the look that I'm going for. So I've got my bag of rice here. Oh, I actually went into Aldi to get another 3 more of these, and they have disappeared. So it looks like everybody had the same idea. So I'm going to have to now have a look around for different Aldis. But there we have it. Super cute. And if I get bored of it that way, then I can always turn it that way and put my own writing on there, but no one's going to know. They're going to be in the cupboard. And looking all cute. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday. I was supposed to film the finished look of the spice jars last night, and my battery died, and it was about 6 o'clock and it was just so dark, and I just thought let's just wait until tomorrow. So I'm going to show you how they look. I'm really impressed. They're actually in the cupboard now. Yeah, I just wanted to say hope you're staying safe and are all well. And I'm here if anyone needs to talk or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you the cupboard now. And here we have it. This is the finished look of how the spice jars turned out, and I'm super impressed. I'm loving the matte black lids. Got a few empties at the back there for filling with more spices as and when. The label maker, wow, I am going to be labelling everything from now on. And I'm going to get a few more of the larger jars as well, so I can make my cupboards a lot more organised. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. Bye!